I'm going to my pet gigantic white chicken, Tiny to eat Big Bird.
Ow, stop it. Hey. Stop. Giant white chicken, stop it. Don't eat me. I am not a worm. Get out of here right now.
Big Bird, you hit Tiny his ass. Do you do that?
No. And Huxley, how dare you to Tiny eat me? Now thanks to you, my body hurts. That is so it. You are grounded for 2 million years. Your scrawny ass is grass. Go to your room.